How to add Oberlo to your Shopify store. Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add Oberlo to your Shopify store. So let's get into it. So Oberlo is basically a dropshipping platform which allows you to dropship directly from that store into your Shopify. You just have to basically get the products and you can directly sync them into your Shopify store. So it's very easy to use. So how you can basically add your Oberlo to your Shopify. But first of all, what you need to do is you need to open your Shopify, and this is the basic dashboard. What you need to do is you need to come on to this option right here, which will be on the left sidebar of your page. This is which says add apps. Click on this option, and then what you're gonna do is you're just going to click on this option which says Shopify App Store. Then you do that, you're going to get a new tab opened for you in which will be the Shopify App Store. Just wait until it loads, and then what you're gonna do is you're just going to click on this option and search for Oberlo. Okay, so here you can see I don't have Oberlo right now because Oberlo is possibly not available in my region that I am using Shopify in. You can just go on and you can add any other platform which allows drop shipping to your Shopify, which is really good. So you don't have to stick to Oberlo because Oberlo is not the only thing that you can drop ship on. So what you can do is you can just add Spocket instead, and you can have everything that Oberlo does on Spocket as well. Just go on, click on Spocket and click on add app, and then what you're going to do is you're just going to wait until it loads. If you get Oberlo, you're going to follow all the same steps with Oberlo as well. So I'm just going to show it for this Pocket right now. What you're going to do is you're just going to wait until it has completely loaded, and here you can see I have this option of install app. Click on this option and your app will be installed into your Shopify store. But now you can just go on and open your Pocket, dropship the items from there, and they'll directly show themselves in the Shopify store. So it was that easy, guys. Or the other thing is, other option is that just open the oberlo.com. Here you can see this is the Oberlo. Join Shopify now. Click on this option and add your Shopify URL. It's basically going to ask you to add the Shopify URL. You can just go on, click on this URL of your store, go on, add this in Oberlo, and you'll be good to go. So this is how basically you can get your Shopify and Oberlo connected. But I would recommend that if you don't have Oberlo in your region and it doesn't show itself in your app store, then it's better to go with a different app which is like Spocket. And here you can see I have Spocket open for me. It is as easy, and as it has all the features that Oberlo has. Now you won't be disappointed with this app as well. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take good care and bye bye.